Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you the difference between a correction and a pullback. Now a correction is something that occurred by up to a downfall of the market by up to 10%, and a bearish market is a drop by 30 to 40%. Now a correction is not a bearish market, it's just the market dropped by 10%. So the and a pullback is something that a market just up to 3 or 4%, the market a drop by 3 or 4%, that's a pullback. It's not a pullback is not as large as a correction. Both of them are the same up to some extent, but both of them have huge differences, because a correction is if you consider it is very large as compared to a pullback. A pullback just a slight drop, but a correction is something that because of it might occur because of some external news or something like that. Other than that, it's not. A pullback does not occur like that. A pullback occurs in a market because of uh, because of a sell pressure in that, but in that market, and it recovers after a short time. It recovers after a short time and starts to move that in an uptrend or downtrend. Now, as you might see over here, this over here is a correction. As you can see, what were the prices over here? The closing 18.20. Now this was the price is 13.95, the closing price. This one, take a look at this one over here. Take a look at it over here, 18.20 and 13.95. Now this was a correction. A pullback is looks something like this. Now these are pullbacks. Both of them are great opportunities to enter into the trend and move along the trend. As you can see, these pullbacks and corrections shows occurs in a stock because they want to provide their traders with opportunity to jump into the market and move along the trend to for to gain consistent amount of profits. Now after these, the trend continues to move in the upward direction, as over here. This is also a pullback. You can't say that it's a correction, it's a pullback. This one is also a pullback. A correction looks like this. So whenever these type of things occur, so it remember that it's a correction. Now let's see if there are any we have in a downtrend. Now this is a correction in a downtrend. This is a pullback. This again a correction. This is a pullback, you might say, because yeah, it's a pullback. Now let's see what this is also a correction. Now this is a huge correction. Now you might know from the concept that whenever the you have to consider the price from over here. So this, whenever you have considered from over here, and the market drops from this point to down, this is a correction, not like this where it is, not from over here, from these levels over here, or maybe over here, right here, from where the trend is continuing. Now this not a highest high, as over here it does not form another high. If it did, that would not be a correction. I would count it from over here, a correction from over at these levels over here. Now you can say a correction from this level over here. No, this is not a correction or a pullback. This might be a pullback. You can say that it's a pullback. Now you can say this also a pullback. You can't say it's a correction. So a correction is something that the market from the regular prices, the market drops by 10% to from 8 to 10%. You can say this is called a correction, and it's a huge opportunity for the buyers to jump into the market and move along with it. So that's a correction. And a pullback is something that occurs from 3 to 4%. That's a pullback. It also provides an opportunity to for the traders to jump into the market and move along the trend, whether it may be a downtrend or an uptrend. It provides opportunity in both of them. In a downtrend, we might call it a rally. So both of them are like this. Now what was this over here? 4G foods. Yep. Okay, it's not loading. So So you might understand from the concept of this over here. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.